When you take photos, everything is in the details. You need to pay attention to things such as lighting, framing, and cropping, all of which can make a huge difference. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to choose the right backdrops to really make your subject stand out. As a disclaimer, these tips will vary based on what mood you're trying to capture with each specific photo. When photographing a singular subject, the best way to get a photo to stand out is to make sure that your subject is the main focus of the photo. In order to do that, you want to make sure that the subject isn't in front of a busy backdrop that would draw your eyes past them and to the background itself. You want your subject to take the main focus and draw your eye in instantly. For example, this photo is very distracting because of the brick wall behind the girl. It takes away from your subject, who is supposed to be the forefront of the image. In this photo, the train tracks, even though they're out of focus, pull your eye to the center of the image where the girl is standing. These leading lines draw your eye to the subject instantly. There also isn't anything behind the subject that would distract you from noticing her first. With that being said, sometimes having a backdrop that has more complexity to it will actually enhance the photo, depending on what you're trying to convey. Repeating lines and shapes, like the photo here, can help capture the viewer's attention. In this photo, having your subject not be in the forefront, but almost lost in the backdrop, gives you a different feeling than, say, the girl on the tracks from before. When photographing things like food, having a bright backdrop keeps the food front and center and really makes the photo pop. While this photo is still a good image, this second one really brings your eyes in and makes you focus on the bright colors of the pie surrounded by the stark white with hints of green. If you don't have a good surface to take photos on, one of the neat things you can do is either invest into a styling board or go to your local craft store and just buy large pieces of different kinds of craft paper. It doesn't have to be expensive to take a great photo. Feel free to play with color and contrasts. The great thing about photography is learning the rules and then creatively figuring out how to break them. For example, with this first photo, the yellow lines draw your eye into the subject into the frame. It stands out because it's also the same color that she's wearing. In this next photo, the red background catches your eye, but it's the dark subject in the forefront that fixates where you focus your attention. So there you have it. I hope you like these quick little tips that will help you get ready to start taking photos. Don't forget to think about the background of your subject and how it could hinder or help to enhance your photo. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in more videos like these, please like and subscribe. If you have any other suggestions that you'd like to see, please leave a comment down below, and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys!